Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best roach spray is probably one of the most effective solutions for tackling those unwanted cockroach guests. These resilient pests can quickly infest your home or business, bringing with them potential health hazards and allergic reactions. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of professional roach sprays, exploring their effectiveness, safety considerations, and how to choose the right one for your specific needs. Number 5. Spectracide Bug Stop Home Barrier Spray. Are you tired of unwanted pests invading your home? This product is designed to eliminate ants, roaches, and spiders on contact. It provides immediate relief from these common household nuisances. This versatile spray offers both indoor and outdoor insect control. You can protect your home and surrounding areas from pests with a single product. It's a convenient solution for comprehensive pest management. Worried about long-term pest control? This product offers up to 9 months of protection. It creates a lasting barrier, keeping pests away for an extended period. No mixing or complicated preparation is needed. This product comes in a ready-to-use formula. Simply spray and it's ready to work. For larger areas or more frequent use, this product is available in a gallon size. This provides ample supply to tackle pest problems effectively. It's a practical choice for ongoing pest control needs. What we like. This spray offers impressive 9-month protection, ensuring long-lasting defense against pests. Its ready-to-use formula makes application a breeze, and the gallon size provides ample coverage for your home. If you are looking for a set-it-and-forget-it solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This stuff appears to really work well on the tiny sugar ant variety, but also it does seem to also work great on deterring the crazy increase of pesky stink beetles we have literally everywhere. I have used this for over 8 years now and I will not live without it. I use it inside and out. Outside I apply every 4 months just because I am paranoid, and inside, I use it about 1 to 2 times a year unless I see a bug literally. Number 4. Harris Home Insect Killer 1 Gallon Spray. Are you tired of unwanted pests? This product is designed to effectively eliminate bugs. It's a powerful solution for your home. This insect killer targets ants, roaches, spiders, fleas, mosquitoes, moths, scorpions, flies, and silverfish. It's a comprehensive solution for your pest problems. The 1 gallon size allows for repeated applications. This ensures you can effectively eliminate bugs and keep them away. The included extended trigger sprayer helps you treat where bugs are hiding. This feature makes it easy to apply the product in hard-to-reach areas. This formula continues to kill German roaches, ants, moths, and Asian lady beetles for weeks after application. It provides long-lasting protection for your home. The odorless and non-staining formula will not damage fabrics. You can use it with confidence knowing it won't leave any marks. It is registered with the Environmental Protection Agency for indoor residential use. This ensures the product meets safety standards. What we like. This product features an odorless formula, so it won't leave any unpleasant smells behind. The extended trigger sprayer allows for precise application in hard-to-reach areas, and the long residual effect keeps working for weeks. If you are concerned about lingering odors and want targeted application, you should consider this one. What people say. It is good to buy products that you can't smell or inhale. It does what it's supposed to do. Used this back-to-back 2 to 3 years ago, haven't had any bugs or spider issues since, and I'm getting another bottle this year just so I can keep it that way. Number 3. Bengal Roach Spray 9 ounces Aerosol Can. This powerful spray effectively eliminates roaches, ants, spiders, and other insects. It ensures a bug-free environment for you and your family. The dry spray penetrates deep into cracks and crevices. It drives out hidden roaches and kills them where they hide. It reaches to fill voids behind walls when sprayed. This allows the killing agent to reach deep into the infestation. Spray it without worry in cracks, behind baseboards, and under appliances. It leaves no odor or stains. It contains a high concentration of permethrin. This powerful insecticide provides long-lasting protection against insects. What we like. This spray is a dry formula that penetrates deep into cracks and crevices to eliminate hidden roaches. It's also non-staining, so you can use it without worry. If you like a mess-free and powerful solution for those hard-to-reach areas, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I am able to use it around the birds. I can spray in the house without fear of hurting them. I like the way it comes out dry. This spray keeps silverfish, cockroaches and any bugs away. Have been using this spray for nearly 15 years or over. Easy to use, spraying through stem provided places spray right on target. Lasts a long time for me. Number 2. Raid Max Ant and Roach Aerosol Spray, 6-pack. This Raid Max spray eliminates pests immediately. It's designed to kill ants, roaches, and other listed bugs on contact. It provides a quick solution to your pest problems. The spray continues to work long after application. It provides residual action, keeping killing bugs for up to 6 months. This offers long-lasting protection against unwanted pests. This product is effective against a wide range of pests. It kills ants, crickets, roaches, silverfish, and spiders. It's a versatile solution for different types of infestations. It comes with a 2-way spray feature for easy application. This allows you to reach difficult spots or cover a wide area. This feature ensures comprehensive coverage for effective pest control. For plywood surfaces, reapply every 4 weeks. For all other surfaces, reapply every 6 months. Following these guidelines ensures continued effectiveness and pest control. Use the attached applicator wand for targeted spraying. Spray cracks around baseboards and other hiding places until wet. This method helps to eliminate pests at their source. What we like. This product kills bugs on contact and provides residual action for up to 6 months. The attached applicator wand makes it easy to apply in hard-to-reach places. If you are looking for immediate results and long-term control, you should consider this one. What people say. I have used Raid Max Ant and Roach Spray for a few years now and it always works great. It really does kill roaches and other insects for weeks after you spray it as well. The reason that I'm so stuck on this brand and this exact product is that yellow spray nozzle on it. It sprays precisely where you want it to spray, not just some random spray that flies all over the place. Number 1. BugMD Ant Killer and Bug Spray Starter Kit. Tired of unwanted pests? This essential oil-powered spray from BugMD targets hundreds of indoor and outdoor pests. It's the perfect solution to keep your home pest-free, ensuring your family's safety. One small concentrate bottle is all you need. Just add the concentrate to water in a Forever Spray bottle, shake, and it's ready to use. You can spray it inside and outside your home. BugMD uses plant oils like cottonseed and clove oil. It doesn't contain harsh chemicals, making it safer for your family. It's safe to use on various surfaces like wood, carpet, and fabrics. This essential oil-based spray works quickly, eliminating pests in minutes. It's effective even on pests resistant to other sprays. Use it as often as needed to protect your home. The multi-use spray kills insects at all life stages. From eggs to adults, it eliminates pests on contact. It works great as a cockroach killer both indoors and outdoors. What we like. This spray utilizes a plant-powered formula, making it a safer option for your family. It's fast-acting, eliminating pests quickly, and can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you value a natural and effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Wow! This really works. We were having problems with ants in our kitchen. We sprayed around our door sills and where we were seeing the ants. It stopped them immediately. It does work. I live in the woods and there's a lot of bugs around here and I don't want to let them in or have them on my porches and it seems to keep them at bay. This is an on-contact killer, not a spray and forget about it. This is perfect to do an immediate damage. For long-time results you'll need to look elsewhere. I love the face, it's all natural like clove oil ECT. And that you can spray directly onto you animals without fear of getting them sick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.